Hello, and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP is so far following the already proposed wave count. XRP, for whatever reason, isn't following Bitcoin at the moment on the way up, which is actually in line with the forecast. Remember that XRP rallied here into our resistance area, and we already saw quite a bit of a decline. I did explain to you, though, in the last video that the move down alone was not enough to really say that this deeper pullback has started. Now, this ABC structure that we are watching here. We need further evidence, for example, a break below the trend line as well as a break below the A-wave low, but that we can look at this further because the move up looked corrective. So it basically indicated possible trend continuation lower short term. Now we have some more clarity and we have a nice three-wave move down, which is low enough, strong enough to indicate that a fourth wave correction could have started. Remember that we are watching here for a potential diagonal that could be forming, and this could be the wave 4 of the diagonal. Some coins are currently in a wave 4 in such a diagonal, and it will need to be, well, I have to mention that the 56 cent level needs to hold to basically give us a reasonable outlook for a fifth wave rally still. Okay, so what we want to see for a fifth wave is that XRP ideally comes a little lower, because the wave 4 and the wave 2, at least they should have the right look, which means that the wave 2 here, I mean, it took a couple of months, so I'm not suggesting the wave 4 needs to take that long, but we know that corrections on the XRP chart take awfully long. It could very well be that this will take a few weeks. We'll see. I mean, if it is a wave 4, it should take that long. If it is anything else, I mean, it can always go up earlier and, then would just extend the current move up, yeah. That is still possible. I mean, the market can do anything. We are watching for the most probable scenarios. At the moment, we are simply tracking here the structures. I don't think we have a clear setup at the moment. There would be a potentially interesting setup once we enter this orange support area. If it plays out, so we would like to see the market go a little lower over the coming days, maybe weeks, head into this wave 4 support area between 56 and 62 cents, not break below 56 cents, and then this could be a setup to trade the fifth wave to the upside. Is it a high quality setup? Not really, because the move up was not an impulse, so the situation is not so clear. However, it is a setup that you can use to measure risk. Below 56 cents, the situation will shift towards another low in the Y wave. That's basically the bearish count, you could say. The bearish count suggests that the rally that we had here recently was only a WXY structure and that we're heading down. But the key pivot that distinguishes between the bullish possibility and the bearish one is the 56 cent level. That's really the value of the analysis, to understand that against 56 cents, we can continue to look higher. Below that level, probabilities start to shift towards lower. The problem is that this is not an impulse, so it's not as clear cut. We know that, for example, a wave 4 in an impulse should not break below the 50% fib level. That's a very, very reliable level. It's not terribly reliable, but it is really working well. In the diagonal structure, we have to widen this a little bit down to the 61.8 retracement. The problem is that even below that level in a diagonal, technically, the wave 4 would not be invalidated below that level. However, it will become much, much less likely. So eventually, the market is all about probabilities, isn't it? And next, I would be watching here for a potential B-wave bounce, which should happen from somewhere here. At the moment, I see 3 waves down in A, 3 waves up in B, and only 3 waves down in C. So either we get one more low, which seems likely in wave C of A, or it's a WXY structure, which is also possible, and then it has bottomed already. But I think fairly soon we should see a B-wave corrective rally, which should stay below the 78.6 retracement ideally, and that would be below the 71 cent level. So as long as the price doesn't break and sustain above 71 cents, the downside pressure should remain high. That's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.